The collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, or SVB, has spread fears not only in the tech industry but also in the banking sector. Just a couple of days after the bank was shut down by US regulators on Friday, another American bank, New York-based Signature Bank, also collapsed. This has spread fears of contagion risk in the industry. Contagion risk is the risk that financial difficulties at one or more banks will spill over to other banks or the financial system as a whole. In simpler words, it is the tendency of a financial crisis to spread to other markets and regions. It is also called systemic risk. It is worth noting that this term is also used in other sectors like cryptocurrency. US authorities sprung into action almost immediately after the collapse of SVB. The US Fed announced a new emergency loan program for banks. The institutes can pledge collateral at par and not at the current market value to get a loan. Later, in a joint statement, US Secretary of Treasury Janet Yellen, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, and FDIC Chairman Martin Gruenberg said that the depositors will get access to all of their money, and no losses associated with the resolution will be borne by the taxpayer. According to experts, the collapse of SVB may cause some contagion for regional banks, but the Biden administration's steps are likely to help reduce the risk in the whole banking sector. Indian government officials have said that the SVB crisis is not expected to have any lasting macroeconomic impact on the country. At the same time, fintech and venture capital firms have come to the aid of Indian startups. Record Club said it was allocating $15 million to all Indian founders affected by the crisis. Minister of State for Electronics and IT Rajiv Chandrasekhar will also meet representatives of startups this week to assess the impact of their exposure to SVB.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.